Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the read receipts feature on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the settings button down below, which is the fifth option. Scroll down and click on privacy. Scroll down until you find the read receipts feature that you can enable by tapping on this button next to it. As you can see, if you disable this feature, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. They are always sent for group chats, meaning that this feature enables you to see when others have received and opened your messages. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.